Hello, hi friends, welcome back to our health advice channel. To maintain health of human being and to help prevent diseases such as weakened muscles and softening of the bones. What we use? Any guess? Don't worry, these are vitamins. Yes, today our topic about vitamins. As usual, please like my video if you like and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get more notifications to your mobile. The term vitamin is derived from the words vital and amine because vitamins are required for life and were originally thought to be vitamins. These vitamins divided into two major groups, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. When come to the water soluble vitamins, vitamin B and vitamin C. Now we'll see about the vitamin A. Vitamin A is named as retinol because it's concerned with retina of eye only found in animal foods beta carotene. It is a plant source present with a chlorophyll in plants covered to vitamin A in gut wall. It can only be found intact in animal sources and it is natural form. It is alcohol known as retinol. It is also isolated from various lipids and beta carotene. One beta carotene in plants equal to two retinols in the body. When we see the functions of vitamins, development of healthy skin and nerve tissues in the body, and functions in eyesight and bone formation. It is important in the relation of pregnant females, regulates growth and development, promotes healthy skin and tissue, helps eye to visualize dim light. It is required for reproduction, embryonic development and bone formation. When we see the deficiencies of vitamin A, xerophthalmia, we are calling. According to WHO classification, the xerophthalmia they have mentioned such a kind of deficiencies: night blindness, conjunctival xerosis, biotic spot, corneal xerosis, keratomalacia, growth retardation. So, when we see the sources of vitamin A, fish liver oil, liver ox, butter from cows, kidney from ox, special baby food milk powder, egg, chicken, milk, goat milk. So, friends, these are the sources of vitamin A. If we have vitamin A sources like this, so no need of get any deficiencies to our body. So friends, I am requesting you to have this kind of foods in your daily pattern. And pregnant women, I am warning you, I am instructing you, please have this kind of vitamin A sources to get more growth and development for your embryo. Thank you.